Looking for a free adventure in Fort Lauderdale? We found one, and it turned out to be the perfect way to enjoy this beautiful city. Welcome back to The More You Can See. Today we had a few extra hours here in Fort Lauderdale, so we searched for something relaxing, simple, and fun to do before moving on to our next stop. That's when we discovered the Riverwalk Fort Lauderdale, and we were surprised to find out that there's a free water trolley that takes you along the new river. And of course, we had to try it. Come ride with us as we cruise along the river, glide past beautiful boats, and take in the stunning waterfront buildings and scenery that make Fort Lauderdale so unique. This is such an easy and peaceful way to experience the city, especially if you're a lover of water and beautiful surroundings like we are. We really enjoyed this little adventure, and it's definitely something we'd recommend if you're looking for one of the best free things to do in Fort Lauderdale. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures from The More You Can See. Thanks for coming along with us on this simple but relaxing adventure at the Riverwalk Fort Lauderdale. The free water trolley was such a peaceful way to enjoy the city, take in the beautiful views, and see so many boats docked along the river as we floated by. If you're ever in Fort Lauderdale with a little extra time, this is definitely worth checking out. We hope you enjoyed riding with us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The More You Can See for more travel inspiration and moments that make exploring new places so enjoyable. See you in the next adventure.